Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery. This is the new battery, and this size is a 86p. So I'm going to show you how to change your new battery on a Jeep Compass. This model is a 2016, but if your Jeep Compass look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure. All right. So you want to come right here, remove this right here. You just need to turn them, follow the arrow, and then you can lift this up and bring it towards you. All right. And what that do will give you access to the battery down there, and there's another screw down there. All right. That's down there. That's hold the battery. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to help me help you. Alright, so first you want to get 10mm. Take this out right here. Alright, so 10mm. Remove the negative cable. Take that off. Also, get it out of the way. Remove the positive cable. Get this out the way also. And you want to remove that screw that you have down here. It's supposed to be 13mm, so that's what I'm going to remove right now. Alright, so you're going to need to get a long extension and a 13mm. You get down in here. And the ratchet kind. So that's good right there. Time to lift the battery out. And what you want to do is clean this. So I'm going to clean this, and then I'm going to get back to you to save time on the video. So I'm going to get back to you to clean that, alright? Alright, so now I got it cleaned up already. As you can see, it's clean. So now it's time to put the new battery in. So you want to get these out the way. Alright, you want to put this back down here. It goes on like this, as well as you can see the imprint of the washer here, so you know it goes on that way. It's a little tricky, but once you line it up and get it, I would say this is the hardest part of it. Alright, I got that. We're going to tighten that up. We're going to go ahead and put on the positive cable. Go ahead and put on your negative cable. I'm gonna spray the seal protector for the battery on it, alright? Oh, and tighten this up. Alright, so tighten this up right here. It's nice and tight. Shake this up. and this help protect against corrosion. And go ahead and put this in. Line it up in the holes and twist them on. And that's it, guys. That's how you change your battery. What I like to do, I like to turn on the ignition for like a few seconds to make sure everything just relearns before I start the engine. Alright? Alright, so I'm gonna go on the inside. And turn the key on. And what I'm gonna do is turn the ignition on. Turn out that. Just let it sit for a few seconds. Alright. And turn the key back off. And crank it up. And that's it, guys. You won't have no more trouble. This one have the check engine light on before I checked it, so I'm gonna go ahead and check the code, but that check engine light was on before I changed the battery. Alright, so see you next time. Thank you for your love and support. See you next time.